How to fix security certificate error on Android. If you're getting a certificate or a security certificate error on your Android phone, this could be happening due to multiple reasons and there are multiple ways to fix it. So this is usually quite common on your browser like Google Chrome. So let's say you're using a Google Chrome browser and you're facing that type of error. So what we're going to do is on our Android phone, just long press the Google Chrome app icon, then just go to your app info by tapping on this app info tab over here. Then from there, go to storage usage, clear the cache files, and also clear the data if possible. The second reason this could be happening is due to an incorrect date and time. So maybe your date and time is so further away that your phone is going to see it as a red flag and it will not let you connect to those internet or some websites. In order to fix this, simply open up settings on your Android phone and go to your date and time settings. Normally it will be under system or general settings. So go to date and time, and I usually just recommend you to turn on automatic date and time and automatic time zone as well. This will extract the time and location from your internet connection from where it is being routed to with your current location, and it will give you the exact accurate date and time for you. So try to turn it on and that should 100% help you solve your problem. If this video helped you, do make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.